Hi guys, for today's video, let us learn about multiplying and dividing integers. But before we proceed, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel so that I can keep myself motivated to make more videos like this. All right. So before we proceed to the multiplication and division of integers, let us recap about integers. So we all know that it is a whole numbers including zero, and it can be categorized into two, which is a positive integers and negative integers. So positive integers are numbers greater than zero. Yeah. So they are the numbers greater than zero, while negative integers are numbers less than zero. So this is the less than symbol. In multiplying and dividing integers, we have some rules. Okay, so it is better to remember it so that you will not get lost every now and then. So in multiplying integers, so we have to multiply signs, right? So we have negative times negative is equal to positive. Okay, and then positive times positive is equal to positive. Then for positive times negative is equal to negative, or negative times positive is equal to negative. So what do you notice in the rules? So you can see this one is the same, right? The same sign, and the answer is always positive. So meaning to conclude that if you have like sign or the same sign, your answer will always be positive. Okay? And if you have different sign or multiplying different sign, your answer will always be negative. So in here, we can say that unlike sign or different sign, it will always be negative. Okay? Actually, in the division rules, it's exactly the same. We have negative divided by negative, it's positive. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. So negative divided by positive is equal to negative, and positive divided by negative is again negative. Okay, the same rules in multiplication. So both same sign are positive. Both positive will always give you positive. So the same like sign is equal to positive. And unlike sign, this will give you negative. So exactly the same with multiplication rules. Okay, so without further ado, let's have more examples. So if you have number one example, if you have 2 times negative 6. So remember, if there's no sign written, it is understood to be positive. So 2 here is positive, yeah? Positive 2 times negative 6. So remember the rules. Positive times negative. So this rule. So you have negative 12. Okay? And if you have negative 4 times 4, so this is negative times positive here. So this is this rule. So it will always give you negative. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? But if you have 3 times 2, so both are positive, so you get 6. And if you have negative 8 times negative 7, so negative times negative based on the rules will always give you positive. So negative 8 times negative 7 is positive 56. Okay, So that's for multiplication. Now let's go to division. For division, let's say we have 15, negative 15 divided by 3, and that is 5. But based on the rules, negative divided by positive, 3 here is positive, right? So negative divided by positive is negative. Therefore, the answer, when you divide negative 15 by 3, the answer is negative 5. All right, let's get more. So if you have 12 divided by negative 4, so you will get 12 divided by 4 is 3. So positive 12 here divided by negative 4. So this rule, and the answer is negative 3. But what if you have 32 divided by 8? So how many 8 goes to 32? So positive divided by positive is positive. So you got 4. Yeah, 32 divided by 8 is 4. And if you have negative 25 divided by negative 25, that is positive 1. Okay, so that's how multiplication and division of sign numbers work. And let's have more example for you to understand. So if you feel that you are confident enough, so try to post this video and then try to answer these examples. Okay, if you have 49, negative 49 divided by 7, okay, try to answer that one. Negative 7 times 4, and then negative 80 divided by negative 10. 7 times negative 5, 8 times negative 4, then lastly 45 divided by negative 9. Okay, so what's the answer in number 2, the first problem? Negative 49 divided by 7 is, so negative divided by positive is negative, so negative 7. Second one, negative 7 times 4. So negative times positive is negative. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay. So negative 80 divided by negative, 80 divided by negative 10. So it's negative 8. And then the fourth one here, negative 7 times negative 5 is 35. Right? So negative times negative is positive. 8 times negative 4 will give you negative 32. And then 45 divided by negative 9 will give you negative. And then 45 divided by 9 is 5. All right. So that's how multiplication and division of sign numbers work. Okay, let's have a little bit tricky question here. So if I give you this, and let's have a tricky one. So your answer here, 2 times and divide. The answer here is negative 8, 6. Your answer here is negative 2. And your answer here is 6. So what is the instruction? So below this problem are the 2 puzzles. So copy each puzzle and write numbers in the 4 boxes to make all of the calculations correct. That means when you multiply these two numbers, your answer is 6. When you multiply these two numbers, your answer is negative 8. Okay, so let's try. So if we put 4, we put negative 4 here, and then 2 here. So the answer is negative 8. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, right? Now we have to get this part. So it should be negative 2. So we can divide it by 2 because negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. All right. Now one more problem here. So 2, we can write here 2 times 3 is equal to 6. That's correct. Yeah. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then 3 times 2 here is equal to 6, the same. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 4 times negative divided by 2 is 2. So therefore, this is correct. Okay? So that's all for today. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much. Bye.